Alright guys, so as far as new parts today, nothing super exciting. We got the coil pack harness extensions, we got some 4-lug crimps, and then we have an injector O-ring. So this injector O-ring is for, obviously, an injector, so let's put this shit on real quick. There's the injector, new O-ring on that, nothing crazy. Now we get to see if these harnesses fit. Yeet. Alright, so this is where we're at for wiring. Everything is pretty much done for the most part. Still got to do headlights, turn signals, and brakes, and that will finish it for wiring, pretty sure. Oh yeah, and I got to finish the fans, but that's just 2 connections. So we have, as I was explaining before in the last quick video, basically this is our wire to our kill switch, and this is our wire to the other side of the kill switch, and that all sits in there, and then everything starts to get wired up. I know that's a very vague description, but my mind is dead. I've been wiring for like 3 hours at this point. Yeah, I hate it here. Alright, so Lewis and I have been diligently working and just running ourselves through the wiring. Found a couple mistakes. Lewis is finishing up the fans, but right now, young chef in the building. What we making, my dude?
We got some Southwest spicy tacos going on. We got beef, some onion.
Ooh!
What the hell is that?
A Trailblazer SS,
Oh,
6
yeah,
liters
brother.
of fuck yeah, brother. All right,
Hell
anyways.
yeah.
So what were you saying?
We got some chili powders for Southwest seasoning. We got some chili, onion.
Is this like that Hello Fresh shit?
It is that Hello Fresh shit.
Oh hell yeah! How you liking that? This is not sponsored.
It is actually pretty delicious. The portions are right, and the seasoning is actually not too white.
Really?
Yeah, so it's actually, spicy and tasty and flavorful.
Hell yeah! All right, so we're gonna take a break, and we'll be back with some more stupid shit.